During the ceremony, no cell phones, no cameras, please.
Today is a super special day. My dear friend Philip is getting married! Yeah! To a wonderful human being called Marina. Phil and I go way back. Back in high school, we graduated at the same time. Then we're unemployed at the same time, found a job at the same time, and then celebrated a lot after we got that job. Lots of history, lots of memories. I've seen him grow, I've seen him fall in love, and then I've seen him work for this relationship that is culminating into this beautiful day that is the wedding day. But don't you worry, don't you worry, we're not just gonna do some wedding stuff. We are today gonna eat, because Phil is actually a very fine palate when it comes to anything food and beverages. So I am expecting nothing less than the most out of this world, fabulous, refined food that I'm gonna bring you along. So I hope you're ready. Meanwhile, we're just gonna have a little brunch. This is a serious size burger. It is so thick. Where do you even start? Okay. Oh, it's yummy. The patty is medium. There's a lot of condiment. It's all dripping everywhere. It's exactly like you want a mean burger to be. What's the sauce? You like the sauce? There's a mayo situation here. This thing is gonna kill me.
Very good.
Thank you. Are you insane? It's so hot. Oh, you're gonna sweat so much.
It's a light coat.
You look fabulous. So it's 3:45 sharp. We are on mission, going to get a seat on the shaded side of the ceremony. Hello, gorgeous. We're coming for you. I hope you're ready for the heat. So, he has contact lenses on.
We were ahead of schedule every single step of the way, and we're still missing. Like, I wish I had a little more time.
First one up on the terrace, because we absolutely wanted to make sure that we secure one of those places under the shade. Success. Oh, I need to do something about my hair. Mojito, done. One.
Go ahead. Am I on video?
You're always on video, it's you.
I know, I forget about that.
You look great, wink.
Thank you. Wait. I'm terrible at winking.
Oh, so poetic.
I'm really hot. I'm very sweaty.
Show me your armpits.
Oh, whoa.
You have like a censorship.
That's Joe, our +1. The most amazing human being with a British accent in Montreal.
+1 to the +1.
Oh.
During the ceremony, no cell phones, no cameras, please.
Let's see. It was a fabulous ceremony. We had a little cocktail and now we are starving. So the 5-course dinner is gonna start now. Say hello to Kanja. I mean, straight from from Germany? Myself.
Hi, Anne. It's nice meeting you.
She's the most amazing person here with her, well actually she's the plus
She's
one.
my wife.
Hey there. They flew in specifically from Germany.
And we will have a lot of fun today.
We are so gonna have fun. Just look at this menu. It is so fancy. It has texture and it is shiny. I wonder if it's real gold. Are you scratching?
Philippe Marina! Hey,
Okay, perfect. So course one, a fabulous Philippe Marina dinner. This is gonna be awesome. This is delicious. You like it? Yeah. Does it pair well with your wine? She's a wine importer. Is this on video? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's really cool. I want to be a friend. If it's really well with the white wine. Yes? Yeah, it's white wine approved. I think he's the meal planner. I think he's the meal planner. If you're not on his list, you don't get food. Hold on, somebody's saying Germany has the best food in the world. No! This is an amazing song. How'd you like the salad? How'd you like the cheese?
Very good.
It comes in flakes. Oh!
I'm saving it for, yeah.
Ooh, hot plate.
Why is mine so small?
What color is yours? Is yours blue? Yeah, blue is good.
Don't give it to him, give it to me.
Muchas gracias.
vulture.
I think if we do like a massive request, they have to share. You are
Such a vulture.
They were just in Montreal actually. Yeah. They were here last week, right? Yeah.
I'm very moved. Very emotional right now. A lot of things in my mind and my heart. I can't.
Hi Marina! Jeff!
Nervous for it as he is. Like I feel like my kid is about to like do like an Olympic trial or something. Like it's like next level anxiety.
Marina, you are marrying the best friend a person could ask for.
About time! God. That was a fun table there. Fuck yes!